Picking an SEO tool in 2025, three names dominate: Ahrefs for backlinks, Semrush for everything, and Ubersuggest for your wallet. Let's figure out which one actually wins for your needs. Ahrefs started as a backlink checker in 2010. Now it's a full SEO suite, but its heart is still link analysis. It has the biggest web crawler after Google. That means the freshest, most accurate backlink data you can get. Semrush wants to be your all-in-one marketing platform: SEO, PPC ads, social media, content marketing. Everything lives here. It's built for agencies and teams managing multiple clients. Ubersuggest is the people's champion. Neil Patel bought it in 2017 and made powerful SEO affordable for everyone. Simple interface, low prices. Perfect for beginners. Here's where things get spicy. Ubersuggest starts at around $12 per month. Top plans hit around $40, but here's the kicker. They offer lifetime access. Pay once, own it forever. $290 for lifetime. No other tool does this. Ahrefs starts at $99 per month. No free trial, just $7 2-week test for some plans. Annual payment saves you 2 months. It's mid-range pricing. Semrush is the expensive one, starts at $130 per month, goes up to $499 for their business plan. They often have a 7-day free trial though. You need a credit card to start. Ahrefs crushes backlinks analysis, period. Their database updates constantly. 28 billion keywords across 27 countries. If link building is your game, Ahrefs wins. Semrush has the biggest toolset, 27 billion keywords, best for competitor research and content gap analysis. The keyword magic tool alone has over 20 billion suggestions. It's overkill for most people, but amazing for pros. Overall, Ubersuggest wins. There's no learning curve. Type a keyword, hit search, boom, results. Ahrefs and Semrush both take days to learn properly. Lots of menus, tons of data, great for powerful users. Overwhelming for newbies. All three offer site audits and rank tracking, but presentation matters, and Ubersuggest makes data digestible. For agencies and pros, Semrush or Ahrefs is your pick. For small businesses, bloggers, and solo founders, Ubersuggest destroys the competition. Mid-sized businesses, test all three. Bottom line, best value is Ubersuggest. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.